just at the M&S right now. Just I got my white lilies. But I'm just gonna get some lunch. I don't know what to eat for lunch today.
Oh, I think I'm gonna get this.
Then after this, ooh, I'm gonna go out and get some lunch or get some breakfast. I'm quite hungry, and I've got about an hour to kill here, so I might have went a bit too early here. I'm not going too early. Right, I'm gonna go find a Joe in the juice now because I'm quite hungry, and then wait for half an hour and go to work. Joe in the juice, slay. Currently in Joe in the juice. Got half an hour to kill. I'm currently in Joe in the juice and I have half an hour to kill right now, so I've just got myself a tuna cotto and I'll get a taxi to work. My phone is also on like 13% right now, so I'm dying. So I've got myself Joe in the juice tuna cotto. I got still water. Guys, it's so warm. I'm literally starving, guys. I'm so hungry. Oh, it's up to now.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
Really? Do you know what's in here?
I don't care.
When people think that these flowers were given to me by someone, I mean, they're obviously not. I obviously got them for myself, or well, for work. The work got me. Yeah, I keep on getting stares, and it's kind of weird. Guys, we're back in the office with my favorite mirror. This is the outfit. Guys, me and these bloody boxes. Me and these boxes. I'm actually over seeing these boxes. Just doing some returns right now, and that's basically it. Pretty chilled morning for me, and then I'm gonna have my lunch, and then I'm gonna send out some stuff because we had returns come back from an open house in New York, so I'm reshipping that out. There's been a lot of issues with customs recently because of the whole Trump thing, whatever, so I am gonna do that after lunch, but right now I'm just doing returns. Yeah, that's my day. Guys, back down again. I'm just gonna do some send outs now before lunch. Back in my favorite spot right now. I'm just doing some send outs, and yeah, I'm gonna go on my lunch break at 1:30. It is currently 12:45 and I'm looking for stuff to send basically. So I get requests, so this is a request for a Saks edit, so they're gonna go shoot this, so I need to see if we have it. I'm just on a lunch break right now and I have 10 minutes until I have to go back upstairs and work. I just went on a walk and I'm just sat here. It's actually so peaceful, I could fall asleep here. So tired, guys. Hey guys, so today's Thursday and I am going into the office to go to work. Look at the weather. I'm sorry, what? Don't mind the dirty window, but guys, I mean, and I'm in a freaking cardigan today, but it's because I know when I go up to Manchester it's gonna be so cold, although I'm not bringing a jacket, so
I am just gonna start getting ready now and head to the office. I'm gonna get my Uber in about like 10 minutes. Maybe have an apple for my breakfast because whenever I'm in the office and I don't eat, I'm starving. I'm literally starving. Yesterday, I had 3 bananas. I had 3 bananas for breakfast. I don't know what I was on, but I was crazy. I was crazy yesterday. Hopefully it's not bad if you have that many bananas. I don't know. I'm sure it's not. Guys, I'm just working on an order for Doechii right now. So yeah, like I said, I'm working on an order for Doechii right now and doing some sample requests, and I just did a bit of admin this morning. Guys, look at how good the snacks are at my office. Literally candy kittens, Itsu, Tyrell chips, olives. Feast. I am feasting right now.
My name.
Yeah, just nothing has been done. The GP has tried. The GP has said that, because they said that he will, he will say that enough, and the GP has said that they need a written letter stating that they said that based on that his mental health and his condition that he can't.
Thank you. Guys, I've done it. That was just a stressful last, but I'm still not finished my work. Hey guys, so I just wanted to sign off the video here. I am done with my day at work, so I'm gonna chill out now, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye guys.